1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you tired?
No. I woke up at like 7. Gotta get up early to go catting. Oh yeah, I can cook now. Woo, yay.
Close, I put you right down. I never really leave, I just slip away. But it's not my purpose to break your...
Now what makes this a good hole for catting is we've got a big flat up here. A big long stretch of river without any obstructions in the current or its flow. And then right here we have a snag. You've got some brush, rocks. And what the snag does, it creates a place where the catfish can come in and feed on the bait fish and other things that'll fall into the hole. So where we're going to fish is right behind the snag. You can see these eddies coming out. That's where the catfish will usually sit and wait for bait to come in. So we're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Well, I'm using a 3/0 hook, Gamakatsu, and then I've got a sinker. It's a pyramid type sinker, so it sticks to the current. That way it won't come closer to bank when you cast. And I got a split shot, so the sinker can move up and down the line, so when the cat takes the bait, it won't feel the weight, it's going to be able to run.
Bad.
Why?
They brought us more blood. Yay, blood.
The mosquitoes love you, see? Why? They like your blood. They want to suck on your body.
You didn't have books for yawn ways. You'd be complaining too, you ass.
Apparently this spot sucks, so we're gonna move upriver. Isn't that right, C?
Yes. Well, it's Angling Adventures with Uncle C, as you know. We got a nice little fire started. We got 3 mystery buckets.
Full of what, C?
Buffalo.
Buffalo what, C?
2 are filled with lungs. 1 has a testicle, 2 eyeballs, and what else? Some meat. What else did I put? Oh yeah, and a tongue.
Mmm, sounds tasty.
I know! Our first bait is going to be a testicle that, well, I got. It's a day old. We don't know if sperm's gonna pop out or what. Now, as you start cutting...
Can you see me?
Hold on.
You want me to shine the light?
Yep. Hold on. You might want to start at the end. That way you don't get a lot of meat, but you get enough to hook it.
Testy. Can't wait.
Wait, I can't see it. Not too much weight. Come on.
That's one thick testy.
I know, it's a day old.
Don't lie.
Notice as he cuts, that a little bit of juice comes out.
Find the fleshy meat inside.
Yum. That's some sperm making.
That is what the inside of your sack looks like.
Test-
Your sack looks like.
Testicle.
Mm.
Wait.
I want you
and Jake chugged on the way over.
More toms.
Toms.
How many toms did you buy?
3.
3.
What about
They're
more?
delicious.
What about
Dude, Jake's like chowing down. Yeah.
Tom's hot fries are pretty good, man.
I know. They're scrumptious.
Okay, for the hooking of the eyeball, you're gonna want to grab the hook right here. Want to grab it, put it right in there, right about halfway in.
Show us the eyeball, Corb.
Watch out for the pupil.
Mmm.
I feel like it's staring at me. It's like, why did you kill me? See, how are those Tom's hot fries?
Good.
How good?
Really good.
Like, S your pants good?
For a fat guy.
Can I borrow a lightweight?
Recap for you. This, whatever you want to call it, I don't give a crap. Hey, I am trying to keep it PG, don't laugh. Really sucked. We didn't catch anything. All we got was nibs. Jake got through bait. What?
Okay.
Okay. Jake went through his bait about 3 times. Well, I got dehydrated a little. So I bugged him to go get on a run. And while I was there, I remembered I had $5 and I bought Tom's hot fries.
It's a good buy.
Peace out, Nigs.
Oh yeah.
What bait's been working?
The buffalo liver worked pretty good. No, that one. Everything's too small. The eye worked pretty good, but we still haven't caught a fish on it.
The eye.
The light is bright.
Bye, pride.
He's a good fish.
Woo!
He's a good eater.
Not a bad catch, eh?
Ooh, he's a skinny one. I'd say 2 pounds, maybe 3.
Say, I'll get 2.
A good 2-pound cat.
Good.
Good job.
Good fish.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take a picture with my my phone.
Same
Can
here.
we hold this seat?
Grab my phone. Sorry, guys, but I'm probably not gonna be in the next couple episodes. Sorry I didn't get to be in the first. For all those 6 fans, I'm sorry. Bye. See you next time. Gangina, that's what I said. I put my feet in the mud. Who knows, a skunk vagina might be down there. Skunk vagina, that's what I said.